Welcome back. Now that we've covered security groups, the bouncers protecting individual resources, let's proceed and look at the subnet level counterparts, network access control lists, or simply network ACLs. While security groups protect EC2 instances and other resources directly, network ACLs apply to entire subnets, like building-wide access policies versus individual door locks. Here's what makes ACLs different. 1. They are stateless, meaning you must explicitly allow or deny both inbound and outbound traffic. Unlike security groups, there's no automatic return path. 2. You define rules using protocols, ports, and IP ranges, and every rule has a rule number which determines its priority. Lower numbers take precedence. And finally, 3. ACLs can allow or deny traffic, giving you more granular control. Security groups can only allow. Let's look at an example. You might use a security group to allow SSH on port 22 from your IP at the office to one EC2 instance. However, then you can use a network ACL to block a suspicious IP range from reaching any resources in a subnet. ACLs are especially useful for compliance, extra security auditing, or broader traffic restrictions at the subnet level.